Sibingelele sikwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihla. Sibingelele nakuwe mbukeli osibuka ku DTT igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali. Kanti ke njengamanje mbukeli ngizokwethulela indaba ehamba phambili ezweni sakhile okwakho nje usuhlale phansi unethezeke ungiyekele ukuthi mina ngikwazi ngakho konke okwenzakalayo. Njengamanje ke sibheke ehamba phambili kuleli hora.
The state made it available to the defense lawyer in respect of accused number 10 who was released on bail so that he knows which people must he not be in communication with.
Unikezwe ibhayili ye-1,000 omunye wabasola abathathu ababoshwe ngesonto ledlule ecaleni lokusiza uThabo Bester etulweni lakhe lokweqa ejele enyakenye. Abanye ababili aboshwa nabo bazofaka izicelo zabo zebhayili ngesonto elizayo.
Besihleli naye kapha lo mntana ungekho into ebenayo njengoba ebengiceba wethu walapha eMbhashe.
Sekuboshwe abasolwa ababili ngemva kwesigameko sokubulawa kwekhansela le-ANC kanye nokudlwengulwa komuntu abehlekisana naye edutywa kumasipala eMbhashe ngempela sonto.
We are going to engage further as the Premier Panyaza Lusuku indicated. You know, we had a round table where we engaged each other.
Inhlangano eyengamele ibhola lenyawo kuleli isafa ithi ithemba ukuthi kungaxazulula kusasa ukungaboni ngasolinye nabadlali bebanyana mayelana nezinkontileka zabo zokuyodlala kwendebe yomhlaba. Xhumana nophiko lwezindaba ze-SABC sithinte uma ufuna ukusazisa noma ukusiluma indlebe ngodaba oluthile noma ingqinamba ezikhungethe umphakathi wangakini ungasishayela kule nombolo ethi 011 714 6133 noma usithumele i-email ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News izwi lakho sizimele asithathe ihlangothi. Udedelwe ngebhayili ye-R10,000 uThabang Mieno ngomunye wabasola abathathu ababoshwe ngesonto ledlule ecaleni lokusiza uThabo Bester etulweni lakhe lokweqa ejele enyakenye. Abanye ababili aboshwa nabo uJoel Makhetha kanye noMwekezi Ramulula bazofaka izicelo zabo zebhayili ngesonto elizayo.
Umshushisi wombuso akazange aphikisane nesicelo sebhayili kaThabang Mieno. Ubeke nje imbandela okuzofanele ilandele njengokuthi kuzofanele njalo ngoLesithathu ayosayina istation samaphoyisa eKopanong. Uphinde wadonswa ngendlebe ngokuthi angathintani inhlobo nofakazi becala. Abasolwa uJoel Makhetha noMwekezi Ramulula naba yingxenye yabasolwa abayi12 abathintekayo etulweni lahlelwa ngempumelelo lokusiza uThabo Bester kweqejele laseMangawungu. INPA yaphikisana nokunikezwa kalaba ibhayili.
There is a list that was provided by the prosecutor to the magistrate, but I'm not aware of that list. I never put my side on that list. But it's a list of all the people that we know they are going to testify on behalf of the state. So the state made it available to the defense lawyer in respect of accused number 10 who was released on bail, so that he knows which people must he not be in communication with.
Abasolwa abanye abathathu uTebogo Dipholo noSinoho Matswara kanye noTieho Magotsa bafuna ukuphosela inselele isinqumo sokwenqatshelwa kwabo ibhayili. Ungoti wezomthetho akaboni ukuthi umzamo wabasolwa uzophumelela isigcawu senkantolo ephakeme eFree State.
However, at this moment, the state has already proved the likelihood, and the magistrate, in order to say that he erred by denying the bail application to them, they need to come with all the proof that supports their application.
Bonke abasolwa becala abagcinwe ezidokisini nabangaphandle ngebhayili sebeyoze babuyele enkantolo mhlazisi shagalumbili ngenyanga ezayo.
Inhlangano ezibhekele zemvelo eThekwini zinxuse umphakathi ukuthi ungenelele ekuhlanzeni nasekubuyiseleni lendawo esimweni kulandela imvula ehamba nomoya. Ngenxa ke yalezi imvula nomoya namandla mbukeli kudlule abantu abayisikhombisa emhlabeni kanti ke abanye futhi abayisikhombisa abakatholakali.
iBlue Lagoon eThekwini ila kungena umfula umngeni olwandle. Indawo ethandwa kakhulu. Manje le ndawo igcwele udoti ngemuva kwezikhukhula. Nokuthiwa ungase ubulale imvelo. Amabhishi eningizimu neTheku nawo agcwele udoti. Abadobi nabathanda ukuzibukela izinyoni lapha nabadlala imidlalo yasemanzini bathi kuyathusa ukuthola udoti ongaka lapha.
No, it's terrible. The amount of That's in the water, it's not good.
I-Green Corridors okuyinhlangano engenzi inzuzo ithi isiqoqe udoti ongalinganiselwa ku-5,000 wezikhwama. Okukhona oplastic abayingozi lapha. Banxusa abantu nabavakashi eThekwini ukuthi bazolekelela ukuqoqa udoti.
Siyacela bandla kumphakathi wonke ukuthi awuhlanganisa izandla nathi usilekelele kulodoti olanga ngemuva kwami.
Abe-Durban Radio Boat Club abasebenzisa leli chibi bayalekelela ukususa lodoti.
I can't bring my boat. I've got 2 boats. I spend a lot of money on, so I can't put them on the water because they can get damaged.
Izakhamizi zinxusa umphakathi ohlala eduzane nemvula ukuthi ufunde ngezindlela zokulahla udoti.
They need to be using or have access to disposable methods and change the attitude and use the bins and use whatever black bags or whatever system they have.
Londi Khatebe, SABC News, eThekwini.
Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezomdabu uThembi Nkadimengo uxwayise ukuthi ukwahluleka ukuyiphendulela ngokusetshenziswa kwemali komasipala kuzoba nomthelelo ongemuhle ekuhlinzekeni umphakathi ngeyidingonqangi. uNkadimengo bekhuluma engqungqutheleni i-District Development Model ebanjelwe eStellenbosch Western Cape.
Ngabathunywa abaphuma komasipala belilizwe abangama257 abahlangene eNtshona Koloni kwinkomfa yentsuku ezintathu engokuphuhliswa kwezithili. Eli lilinge likamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa elijolise ukuhlanganisa amabakalo mathathu karhulumente nabahlali ukujongana nokuziswa kwenkonzo eluntwini. Abasemagunyeni balumkisa amabhunga ngokuphumeza uhlahlwabiwo-mali olungabonelelwanga ngamali.
But we may also want to say, how do we incorporate law enforcement into DDM? Because not unless you are not living where I'm living and staying in the municipalities where you are working, it's a gangster's paradise.
Umbandela woqhankqalazo malunga nokuziswa kwenkonzo eluntwini kwakunye nokungabikho kozinzo komasipala abalawulwa ngendibaniselwano uchatshazelwe.
Improving transparency, governance, accountability, oversight and joint monitoring of the effectiveness of government as a whole.
Umphicothi zincwadi uxelele le ndibano ukuba esi sicwangciso singancedisa ukunqanda ukwanda kwenkcitho engafanelekanga ngomasipala.
But what we must insist on, if we believe we want to meet those constitutional principles of effectiveness, of transparency, of accountability, of prudent management of financial resources, if we want to do that, we must insist that the people appointed and elected to run municipalities do what they're supposed to do.
Inkomfa iphela ngolwesithathu. Tingilulama Matya weendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Kubashwe abasola ababili abasolwa ngokubulala ikhansela le-ANC kumasipala eMbashe Eastern Cape kanye nokudlwengula intombi yakhe ngesikhathi bebuye endaweni yokucima ukoma.
Inhlungu nenxunguphalo emva kwesithonga sokuwa kukaceba kawathu umzikayise sakhe ngaphansi komasipala uMbashe. Ukunkwintshwa kwakhe nokudlwengulwa kuphindelelwa iqabane lakhe kwethuse uluntu lalommandla waseNxakaxa. Umzikayise besaziwa ngokuncedisa abantu balommandla nkqu nosapho lakhe.
Xa sifika ke ngoku uswelekile umalungu bathi bawugqiba bamthatha lo mntana bamlala bobabini.
Besihleli naye kapha lo mntana kungekho nto ebenayo njengoba ebenguceba wethu walapha eMbashe.
Usaki akangabulawe ngalendlela ngaphansi kwalo masipala kungoku nje bathathu oceba abalanduleleyo kusukela ngonyaka 2021.
Bisiyasoyikisa njengoba ngokwesithathu ngokukhansela esweleka nangona besweleka ngeziganeko ezahlukile kuba owokuqala wathi wagula sisandukubuya kwi-elections omnye uye wadudulwa kulo nyaka owakwanqwena ngoku ngulona othe wakhwetshwa wabe uswelekile.
Abakho nekuvakala kuba ngamalungu osapho olunye nolukamfi umzikayise Saki kulindeke ukuba bavele kwiinkundla zamatyala bejongene nesityholo sokubulala nokudlwengula. Dinkululeko SABC eNxakaxa edutywa.
Umengameli omusha osanda kukhethwa wophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC uColin Malatji umemezele ukuthi bazolwela ukuthi amalungu entsha okungenani abe yingxenye yamaphesenti angama-50 ePhalamende ngokumeleleka kwayo.
We're very clear. We're not going to accept any less than 50% of young people in Parliament and legislature. Parliament is not a retirement village. We are going to use the 50% that of the older will remain, we'll use them for wisdom. But we don't need to have 80% of them in Parliament. If it means we get to 70, we'll be very happy. But we're not saying that we're cleaning them out, but we're saying that the future belongs to us.
Ubuholi obusanda kukhethwa bophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC buzibeke zacaca bha inhlelo nalokho abakuphokophelele njengoba buthathe intambo zobuholi. Bese kuphele iminyaka engaphezulu kwesishiyagalombili nabuholi. Osengumengameli wophiko lwentsha ufuna ukuthi labo abakhale ngaphansi engqungqutheleni ngokwezikhundla bese ke ubuholi obusesihlalweni njengamanje.
Immediately after our first NEC, we have not yet decided on the date. We'll go myself and the SG to the Eastern Cape, because that's where problems were from, to meet with the leadership there of the Youth League, to engage with them on how best can we unite young people there and bring them, because we need everyone.
Ubuholi obusha phinde bazibophezela ngokuthi buzosebenza ngokuzikhandla ukwakha kabusha nokubuyisa isithunzi sophiko lwentsha kanjalo nokusebenzela ukukhulisa inhlangano.
Babuye bephephile emakhaya abafana abangama-600 abachitha isikhathi esicela ezinyangeni ezimbili besokwa kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Leli siko lokusoka lenziwa ukufaka izingane zabafana esigabeni sobudoda.
Abecicima injabulo lamabhungu akwaMhlanga ngesikhathi ebuyele emakhaya emva kokuhlala isikhathi esicela ezinyangeni ezimbili entabeni.
I feel good and I hope everybody must go to manhood.
I'm so glad I'm back home. I'm happy. I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of everyone who was here in supporting us.
Wonke ke lamabhungu abeyosokwa angama-615 abuye ephephile futhi esesifune esihle ngokwempilo.
Senza sure ukuthi abantwana siyabascreena before baya engomeni. Sichecka abo HIV, sichecka abo nyawupe, sichecka wonke amanye amagulo, particularly abo chukela, abo TB, and then nayo lenyawupe namanye amagulo nje ama STIs.
Abazali bazamkele ngezandla ezifudumele izingane zabo esezisesigabeni sobudoda.
Labantwana siyabafundisa ukuthi uma uyindoda kuyini ufuna ukwenza. Siyabafundisa ukuthi okunye bafuna bakwenza bangadli nama drugs. Bakhona abantu bababhema lapha abantwana abanye badla izinyawupe abasakwenzi lokho.
Minyaka yonke ke kudlule emhlabeni izingane ezingabafana ezisoke ziyosokwa imvamisa lezi gameko zenzeka ezikhungweni ezingekho emthethweni.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi eGoli iCity Power ithi kulindeleke ukuthi kuthathe izinyanga ezimbili ukubuyisela ugesi emahostela aseDeepkloof.
Namhlanje izisebenzi zeCity Power zibambe umhlangano nezinduna emahostela aseDeepkloof kulandela ukuvakasha kwemeya yaseGoli ngesonto eledlule uKabelo Qamanda emva kwemibhikisho enodlame eDeepkloof. iCity Power ithi umsebenzi ozokwenziwa kungenzeka uthathe izinyanga ezimbili.
The team is on the ground now at the hostel, and we are ready basically to start with the work that is outstanding. Giyani and also Madala hostels. You remember that we had already done some of the work at Madala, and it's about over 300 units that we've already basically done there. So currently what we are going to do is to start the work at Giyani and ensure that we install all the MV structures.
Kuqashwe abantu abangama-20 bakule ndawo abazoba ingxenye yomsebenzi wokulungiswa kogesi.
Ngeke lize liphele bengafikanga la kuzoqala ukusebenza nabo. So ke ngathi nje lokho kwamanje engisacoshile uCity Power authority contract yompetha then bese bayijobe khotha.
Ukhoza uqhube wathi balinde ezinye izinhlaka ezifana neJobe Quarter ukuze kuqale umsebenzi wokulungisa.
Owabe engumengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki uchaze isigayigaya esaslulisana nobandlululo uSeli Motlana njengomuntu obeqotho futhi esebenzela umphakathi ngokuyikhandla kwaze kwabake izinsuku zakhe zokugcina.
Izihlobo nabangane zibuthana ndawonye ukuzothi indlela enhle komunye womakade bona ababa negalelo ekulweni intando yeningi. Owabe engumengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki uchaze uMotlana njengohlobo lomuntu oluyimvela kancane. Umbeki ukholwa ukuthi ukube ubesadla anhlamvana ngabe ukugxekile ukwenyuka kwezigameko zodlame olubhekiswe kwabesifazane kanye nezingane.
I can only imagine the intense pain and shame Motlana must have felt as she listened to the police service announce that between the April-June 2021 quarter and the April-June 22 quarter, sexual offences as a whole increased by 74.1%.
Umndeni ukuthola kunzima ukwamukela ukwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni.
Yours was the journey of undoubted tribulations, overwhelming challenges, unbridled joy, severe pain, great accomplishment, and above all, a life fully lived.
Usali Motlana ubengumfelokazi kaDokotela uNthatho Motlana ongasekho kanti ushiye emhlabeni izingane ezine kanye nabazukulu.
Inhlangano engamele ibhola leinyawo kuleli iSAFA ithi ithemba ukuthi kungaxazulula kusasa ukungaboni ngasolinye nabadlali bebanyana banyana mayelana nezinkontileka zabo zokuyodlala kwendebe yomhlaba.
Iqembu lebanyana banyana eliqokelwe ukuyodlala emgudolano nendebe yomhlaba alizange lilibhade emidlalweni wayizolo neBotswana ngenxa yomdonsiswano elinawo nenhlangano yebhola likanobhutshuzwayo kuleli iSAFA. Imali ngenye yembangela zalokungaboni ngasolinye.
We are going to engage further as the Premier Panyaza Lusufi indicated. You know, we had a round table where we engaged each other. So we are going to continue the discussions.
Ibanyana banyana ayizange ikuthakasela ukuthi iqokelwe ukudlala neBotswana kulomdlalo.
They indicated to us, you know, their displeasure in terms of playing Botswana, which we were, as an association, we were categorically clear that Botswana is, you know, a team of caliber.
iSAFA ithokuyenze yaqoka inkundla itsakani ukuthi kwezinye inkundla bekuneyinhlelo bezikhona.
It was due to non-availability of the other stadia in and around Gauteng, and you know we had taken into consideration, you know, that many fields are under maintenance. Some of them indicated that they unfortunately they had other events going on.
Ibanyana banyana izodlala umdlalo wokugcina ukuyilolonga neCosta Rica enzukwini ezimbalwa nje ngaphambi komdlalo wayo wokuqala wendebe yomhlaba lapho izobhekana khona neSweden mhla zingama-23 insuku kwephezulu.
Abahlali bomjaho iDurban July bathi lo mcimbi ube impumelelo yize kuye kwadingeka ukuthi ke kumisa imjaho emithathu ngenxa yokucisha kugesi.
Ukukhanselwa kwemjaho emithathu kwe12 emjahweni iDurban July kuchazwe njengeshobolo emcimbini okuthiwa ube impumelelo. Abahleli balomjaho bathi lokhu kuhamba kagesi bengahleliwe.
What actually transpired was we had a drop in power. It did come back, but with the halogen floodlights, unfortunately they take about 20 minutes to cool down before you turn them on. That happened twice. And that put doubt into the jockeys' minds whether that could happen during the running of a race, in which case obviously they aboard these animals that are travelling at 60-70 kilometers an hour, and they'd be cast into complete darkness, which could be seen as very dangerous for them, for their lives.
Bekukhona nesivumelwano nomasipala iTheku ukuthi ugesi ungacinywa ngalesikhathi somjaho. Amaphandle aqinisekisiwe ukuthi azoyithola imali yawo yamathikithi okubhejela lemjaho emithathu ebhuntshile.
Punters and those people who bet on those races, full refund. There's no questions asked there. The races weren't run. Everyone who did have a bet on those races will receive a full refund.
iGold Circle ithi liyaqhubeka uphenyo ngalesigameko sokucima kagesi. Umasipala iTheku uthi nawo uzolekelela kulolu phenyo ukuthola umnyombo ngalenkinga. Eyindabeni zeSABC nginguvusi Khumalo.
Ngikubingelele mbukele emakhaya ngiphinde ngikwamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibheke ukuthi sime kanjani ezulu thana ukuthi ngabe lihleke njengoba limboze ngamafu ikakhulukazi nje lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape na kanjalo esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape ngasolindeleke nje lwamoya ongatheni ikakhulukazi nje lapha esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni sase Free State kanti ke kusasa singasilindeleke nje leza imvula ezingatheni ezimi nje ku30% zikudla njalo ke lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni sase Western Cape ngase silindeleke nje nala yankungu ekhasa phansi ehamba njalo lapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape kanti ke futhi ukhona ke nalwamsingo obandayo ogudla lapha esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape nesixwayiso ke futhi esikhona ke mbukeli kakhulukazi nje impela mothi kusasa ulibhekise olwandle lapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape ulwandle lithanda ukuthi ngabela njengoba nje ligubha amagagasi kanti ke kusihlwa izulu thana singabi lihleke nje kakhulukazi lapha esifundazweni sase Western Cape singalindela nje u10 eKapa lodumo kanti ke Appington ngempela xaxhelisa amazinyo ke ngo5 masibheke nje lapha eGoli kwaNdonga zaduma koSoweto liyakubuza ngempela ukuthi ngubonga ke ngo5 liyabanda ke koEmelo ngothuna kanti ke Lady Smith liyabanda ngothuna masibheke nje lapha ko Richards Bay lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo14 lipholile ke naseThekwini ngo12 kanti ke naseGqeberha lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo12 kanti ke kusasa lisabanda ke nje lapha ikakhulukazi koKapa lodumo ngo16 lithanda ukuthi ke nje lifudumaleke lapha eAppington ngo26 masibheke nje lapha eMahikeng lithanda ukuthi nje liphole ngo22 liyabanda ke eGoli ngo19 kanti ke koMusina lifudumele ngo26 masibheke nje lapha ngempela ko Lady Smith u24 na eMgungundlovu liyashisa ngo27 eRichards Bay u25 eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi u24 na kanti ke koPortions John u19 lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke nalapha ke eGqeberha ngo16 kisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli seziyaguqa lapha bese niphathele zona namhlanje kusihlwa nibe nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.